Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I'm the fundamental analyst for World Trade Malaysia. Today I'm going to focus on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. Moving forward, firstly, as we can see, the Federal Reserve has actually hiked the interest rate for such a long time, keeping the interest rate up to 3.2% currently. We are seeing forward whether the hike of the interest rate will happen. As also we can see that currently that this is the highest hike that can ever be done. As we could see, there is an economic recession that is happening in US country currently. Secondly, moving forward, we could see that many countries have a weak manufacturing data, such as UK, Eurozone and also Japan. This weak manufacturing data information that we have is basically affecting the metal market as well. And this will actually reduce the demand for the metals, which will in turn increase the prices of these metals and indirectly affecting the gold price to be hyped up. Thirdly, moving forward, as we could see, for the USD DXY index has basically fallen as well, which has retreated from its 20-year peak as well. From all this, we know that the trend is bullish. The fundamental range that we are looking at today is between 1600 to 1700. Moving forward with our technical analysis, I'll take you to the investing.com. As we are able to see here, we have 3 support points and we have 3 resistance points based on the Fibonacci at the daily. The first support point that we have is 1671.47. The second one that we have is 1661.35. And the third one that we have is 1644.96. That is the support area that we have. And for the resistance area, we have 1704.25. The resistance 2 is 1714.37 and the resistance 3 is 1730.76. We are looking forward towards this support as well as this resistance. As we look at our daily, we will have to confirm it that what our technical indicators is saying. As we can see here, we have a strong buy for our technical indicators for the daily. What we could do is that we will have to look at our support point in order for us to place our buy. And for more further confirmation, we can check it with our weekly and also our monthly to see what it is actually saying. What are the technical indicators saying? As we can see, we have a strong sell at the weekly and also we have a strong sell at the monthly. But at the daily, we have a strong buy. To further this, actually, we will have to check towards our another indicator which we will see in our daily. As we could go here, I am using the linear regression at the daily time frame. As we could see that our daily time frame confirms that the trend is actually downtrend. However, moving forward, as we know, most of our technical indicators are basically telling us to buy. Yeah, and as we confirm with our weekly and also our monthly, it's also a strong sell. If in this case, what we would do is that we would go to in order to test whether if our strong buy and our strong sell, and which one that we would choose is that we can try to check it with our Bollinger Band strategy tester and also our RSI strategy tester. As we are able to see in our RSI strategy tester, for the downtrend is about 57.73%. And for our Bollinger Band, we can test it as well, which would be 62.59% for our downtrend as well. Based on our fundamental, we know that the price will go up. So a strong buy is highly recommended. Based on our technical analysis and based on the linear regression that we have, yeah, and along with all the technical indicators that we have, our technical indicators supported strong buy in the daily time frame. But our linear regression supported more towards downtrend, as well as our Bollinger Band strategy tester and also our RSI strategy tester. Looking forward to this, actually, we could see that our weekly and our monthly is also supporting more towards a strong sell. In this case, as we can see, that our majority time frames are actually supporting more towards strong sell. We could look at the support point, and also we can look at the resistance point as well. If you would like to go for a shorter trade, you can go for a buy. If you would like to go for a longer time frame, you can actually go for sell. So we would stick with sell, where we will look at our resistance point in order for us to place our sell. For further information, kindly contact me, Gurmeet. Have a good day.